In this video, I will show you step by step how you can upload videos longer than 90 seconds to Instagram Reels. So this is a very simple thing to do. The first thing we need to do is head over to our Instagram, and then you will now want to click on the plus icon on the bottom. Now, once you do this, you simply want to choose the video that you want to upload. So I've chosen a video now, and this video is around 2 minutes and 6 seconds long. So what we can do is simply click on next. And then once you start the upload, you can then enter in all of the different information that you want to add. So a caption, a location, etc. And then from here, you can simply click on share once you are finished. Now, once we do this, this will then upload this to Instagram, and I will be back with you in a moment to show you that this is a reel and it's 2 minutes and 6 seconds long. So it has now been uploaded. We are back on our profile now. So if I go over to Reels, what you will now notice is that I've got a reel here, which is 2 minutes and 6 seconds long. So if you scroll across, as you can see, this reel is currently 2 minutes and 2 seconds. If we let this finish, it does turn out to be 2 minutes and 6 seconds. So that's how simple it is to upload to Instagram Reels over 90 seconds. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.